Hey guys, so if you want to get unlimited ChatGPT completely for free right now, and let me know if it actually works for you. So you got ChatGPT, and what you want to do is you want to come to Microsoft Copilot, and there, when you're gonna click Smart, then you're gonna have things deeply or quickly based off the task, and you're gonna have ChatGPT 5.1, and this is the actually way on how you can get it and check it out for yourself if it's going to work for you. Let me down below in the comments. Only because yes, you got like regional promotions. This is something that you can check out primarily like in India. So if you would go to India, you're gonna have like a VPN. It's not like you would go to India, but you got a VPN for India, a new account, and then local payment method. Then you can get like 12-month free trial of ChatGPT. So this is something that you can try, but primarily go to Copilot. It's very simple, and then you can have Smart and you can have ChatGPT 5.1. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it provided you value on how you can actually do it. And thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.